What's going on, Dnation, and welcome back. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a Muscle Machines 3-pack set of muscle cars, which are 1/64 scale diecast models manufactured by Maisto. And I'm going to be showing you the features and the specifications of these amazing diecast muscle cars. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. So, before we get to the good stuff, let's take a quick look at the packaging as always. This Muscle Machines muscle car set by Maisto comes in a window type box which looks quite sturdy and eye-catching. So as you can see on this top corner of the box, you will see the Maisto logo along with the scale of these models, which is a 1/64 scale, alongside the original Muscle Machines branding, which is pretty much the same on the top cover. And on the front window, you will be able to see the 3 diecast cars alongside their respective model names with the Maisto logo yet again at the bottom corner. You will also find the Maisto logo and Muscle Machines branding yet again on the side, which is pretty much on the other side as well. And on the back of the box, you will find the Maisto logo up top along with a few graphics of these models, followed by the Muscle Machines branding and the official Muscle Machines website on the bottom. And finally, flipping over to the bottom of the box, you will see some legal information regarding these models, so kindly pause if you want to take a read. So with no further ado, let's get these opened. So, before we begin, I just want to let you know that these muscle machine cars by Maisto are very hard to come by these days. And if you are a miniature muscle car collector, then there's nothing like it. And moreover, I'm glad I found these online, and here we are. So right out of the package, you will get 3 amazing and well-detailed muscle cars, as you can see. So let's kickstart this 3-pack of muscle cars with the 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302. Well, I love the minimalistic detail on this one, and it comes with a 2-tone pearlescent red and flat white color scheme with silver graphics and pinstripes. I love the massive muscle car wheels and the chrome 5-spoke rims. But the reason I got this set is because of the blowout engines, which are massive and a definite standout literally. So let's go ahead and take a look. And coming in next is the 1963 Plymouth Savoy. Well, by the looks of this muscle car, I guess it's veiled in an American themed paint scheme. What I like the best about this model is of course the style of the blowout engine, but also the graphics like the auto time and maximum power on the sides that makes this model look even more muscular. So let's go ahead and take a look. And finally, coming in is the oldest of these 3 models, which is the 1929 Ford Modelaa. Well, besides the vintage truck looks, I love the flaming pearlescent paint job with the black and lime green on this one. And of course, I do love the massive blowout block engine not to forget the amazing muscle car wheels. Well, enough said, so let's go ahead and take a look. Well, by the looks of these amazing muscle car models, I'm really glad I got these. And as far as the specs go, these models measure in at 3 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1.5 inches in width, and weigh in at about 50 grams each. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with these Muscle Machines 3-pack muscle car set, and I'm really glad I picked these up. So overall, these are beautiful 1/64 scale muscle car models with some awesome details, and is a definite must-have for any diecast collector or hobbyist, especially if you are a muscle machines enthusiast. And in case you're interested, kindly find further features, specifications, and the best buy link for this Muscle Machines 3-pack set in the description below. And with that out of the way, let's place these amazing and well-detailed muscle car models on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these diecast beauties in a 360-degree view, and stay tuned for some fun facts on muscle machines coming up. Remember Muscle Machines, the genre-defining diecast cars from a decade ago. Their cartoony proportions with fat tires and oversized chrome engines, based on Australian artist Rowan Day's popular illustration series, were all the rage in 2001. They took such a large chunk of the market that they sent diecast companies scrambling to introduce reproportioned models of their own. Parent company Funline was purchased by Action Performance in 2003, which was then merged into Motorsport Authentics, and then largely evaporated. A mid-2000s relaunch attempt incorporating contemporary NASCAR graphics failed as well. Hot Wheels Hard Nose and Fatback series, Johnny Lightning Zingers, Pat Boys, and even Maisto's own Hoods line all sought to capitalize on the Muscle Machines craze, and all of them largely failed. Even the guys who started Funline, who now run the M2 diecast concern, launched the Ground Pounder series, a line that is very much in the Muscle Machines mold. And for further information on Muscle Machines, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing Muscle Machines set, I dropped the best buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these muscle car models are your favorite. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it is much appreciated. And kindly do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and stay tuned for some cool and one-of-a-kind diecast episodes coming up. And please continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our videos, as it would really help us out a lot. And in case you missed out on our previous episodes, please do check out the rest of the 118 scale and the 112 scale diecast motorcycle episodes, and a lot more fun stuff in the playlist below. And just so you know, I've done an unboxing review of a different Muscle Machines 3-pack set, and in case you missed it and if interested, I'll drop the link in the description, so go check it out. And this brings us to the end of this Muscle Machines episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, a like, comment and share would be much appreciated. And kindly support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. Also do follow us at dnation.in on Instagram for daily diecast previews and updates, and stay tuned for all new diecast episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.